Did you know that the onion peel that you throw away might be the key to faster hair growth? Now, I mixed it with rosemary to make a gentle but powerful hairspray that nourishes your scalp, strengthens your hair roots, and promotes healthier, thicker growth. And the best part? It is all natural, affordable, and doesn't leave any strong onion smell behind. Alright guys, so in this video I will show you exactly how I made it, how I use it, and the simple way to add it to your routine for maximum results. So if you are ready, let's get right into the video. For this recipe, you will only need two main ingredients, which is onion peel and rosemary leaves. Onion peel is packed with sulfur, a nutrient that boosts scalp circulation and helps strengthen the hair shafts from the roots. And rosemary, on the other hand, is known for stimulating dormant hair follicles, improving thickness, and soothing scalp irritation. Rosemary has also been recommended in place of minoxidil, a popular treatment for hair loss. Now, together, this combo creates a powerful growth boosting combination that your hair will absolutely love. Preparation. I started by rinsing my onion peels in a clean water to remove any dust or residue. Now this part is important, especially if your onion peel has been kept in a place for a while. Once clean, I added it to my pot, and then I added 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Then I poured about 300 to 400 ml worth of water to my pot and allow it to boil on a low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, as the combo boils, the water slowly turned into a deep golden brown color, just as you can see here. And the smell was so beautiful. If you're one who doesn't like the strong smell of onions but still want to get the benefits of using onions on your hair, then you can use onion peel in place of onions, and you will still get super amazing results by using onion peel. Now, after boiling, I allowed it to cool down completely before straining, and while it cools down, the combo infused even further. Okay, now once cooled, I poured the mixture into a spray bottle for easy use. You can store this hairspray in the fridge for up to 5 to 7 days to keep it fresh. So now let's talk about how to use this on your hair for maximum results. Now I like to spray this directly onto my scalp, making sure every part is evenly covered. Then I massage gently as I apply to help the mixture absorb better into my scalp. This hairspray can also be used after washing your hair as a final tea rinse, okay, or as a daily scalp refresher, especially if your scalp feels dry and itchy. If you're one who has been experiencing a lot of shedding and you're looking for a way to reduce excessive shedding, then try using this. You can use it as your after rinse, and you can also use it as a daily refresher where you use it like 2 to 3 times in a week, okay? And please don't forget to moisturize your hair after each application if you're going to be using it as your daily refresher or as your daily moisturizer. Now, massaging helps improve blood flow to your scalp, which encourages faster and healthier growth. So please don't skip massaging, okay? It is very important. Please try and include scalp massaging each time you apply stuff like this on your hair. It helps it absorb and also promotes blood circulation to the area, which results to faster hair growth. And now when I apply this mixture on my hair, I usually leave it and follow up with my moisturizing routine. There's no need to rinse it out immediately unless you prefer to, okay? If you want to use it and rinse it out, it is totally fine. Okay, so this mixture is very good for the scalp, so it helps to use it on a clean scalp. All right, and now if you're consistent, you will start to notice less shedding, stronger roots, and softer hair strands over time. Trust me, this mixture works, especially if you're one who has been experiencing a lot of shedding. Rosemary is such a great herb, and paired with onion peel, the combo is very effective. Okay, I recommend that you start using it today if you are having issues with itchiness and a lot of shedding. That is because this simple mix does more than just promote growth. Okay, it helps to reduce dandruff, it adds shine to your hair, and keeps your scalp clean. All right, now rosemary helps with scalp balance and circulation, while the sulfur in onion peel helps repair weak and damaged hair strands. So over time, your hair becomes stronger, thicker, and easier to manage if you use this mixture consistently. And remember, You don't need expensive products to get results. Sometimes the best solutions are the ones sitting right in your kitchen looking at you. Now I'd like to share a few benefits of rosemary and onion peel so that you understand why this works. So rosemary contains oxalic acid, which helps improve blood circulation to the scalp and promotes faster hair growth. It is also rich in antioxidants, which helps to protect the scalp and hair from damage and premature graying. Rosemary contains anti-inflammatory compounds that soothes scalp irritation and reduces itching. Rosemary promotes fast hair growth by activating dormant follicles, which helps to encourage new hair growth. And last but not the least, on rosemary, it has shine and softness, which helps to make your hair look healthier and fuller over time. And here are some of the benefits of onion peel, okay, also for your hair, okay. Now onion peel is rich in sulfur, just like onion juice itself, which helps to strengthen the hair strands and promotes thicker hair growth. It contains flavonoids, which helps to protect the scalp from inflammation and oxidative stress. The sulfur from onion peel helps to boost keratin production, leading to stronger, healthier hair over time. Onion peel also helps to promote blood circulation to the scalp, helping nutrients reach the hair roots easily, okay. Now onion peel has antibacterial properties, which helps to keep the scalp clean and reduce dandruff. So that's why I said that if you're having issues with itchiness, this combo is actually perfect for it. Onion peel helps to strengthen the root, preventing thinning and excessive shedding. If you are shedding hair excessively, please start using this combo and you're not going to regret it. So guys, before you throw away onion peel again, please save them and pair them with rosemary, okay, and you will be amazed at what this simple blend can do for your hair. Now be consistent, use it 2 to 3 times in a week and always take a few minutes to massage your scalp. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right, subscribe to my channel for more content such as this one. And please let me share this video with someone who has been struggling with breakage and slow hair growth. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of your amazing self and bye. Mwah.